Hello everyone. Good evening, afternoon, good morning. Whenever you are seeing this video, as right now, as we are live, this is 7:25 p.m. in India. So 1 second, guys. Let me fix my stuff. Okay. Yep. So before sharing my screen, let me confirm one more thing. Okay. All right. So this is it. Okay. Let me share my screen. Hopefully my screen is visible, right? Okay. Nice. So what we will do in this session, we will, as our trader, as our channel suggests, we will trade, of course, and trade in Bitcoin. So right now, I am trading in this application PaprWeight.com. I attached the link in the description box as well. So if you guys want to practice, just open this application and register. As soon as you register, you will get $100,000 as a digital mock or demo money, in which you can just uh, punch your trades to practice. So here we are not doing real trading, guys, because real trading involves real money, and if we are not confident enough to trade in the real world, so it's better to practice. And once you feel comfortable and confident, you can jump into the real trading world. So this is the application built by me. I am a software engineer, guys. So I made this application for myself, but if I am doing for myself, I can just make it public so that anyone can use in this world and practice trading. Now, as you know, so um, let me go through this application so that you guys are also familiar with that what kind of application is this. And so here, this is on the left hand side, you have a chart. This is chart related to the trading view. So I'm directly fetching the chart from the trading view, and it right now I only have three cryptocurrencies: BTC, ETH, and Solana. In future, I will add more like Polygon, um, Matic. Okay, so you can just suggest by commenting it out. And I'm planning to add one more option, that is gold. So I'm trying to do it and try to fetch it the more data as I can. Now, on the right hand side, you have trading interface. You can just put your number of bitcoins or number of whatever the cryptocurrencies amount, and you can just buy or sell according to the market or the price action. This is the feature for if it is enabled. As of now it is enabled, so it will uh, as soon as you punch the trade in either of the direction, so it will screenshot this particular chart, so that in while retrospecting or you coming back to the trade in future, so this is the trading. So this is my order history. And if you want that what made you to punch the trade, you can just come back and retrospect the trade by. So this is the notes icon. So if it is blue, that means there is a screenshot is captured, and it consists of screenshot. So if I open it, so it will give a nice screenshot when you took the trade of this entire price action. And second thing you can also do is you can write down your notes. So this notes is basically uh, is a pointer what went in your mind, what made you to punch that trade, right? So this is basically a trading diary. You are maintaining the diary so that for each passing day you can just come back uh, to your losing trades or winning trades, and you can just see, okay, what so yesterday, after before before punching this trade or after closing this trade, what I did is I uh, I suffered a loss of $125. So that means there is some feedback need to be done in order to make uh, what I committed the mistake. So I have to realize what I have done. So what I did is it wrote down, so market is in downtrend, but I took buy position because my order is buy order, right? Because BTC is green zone. BTC is green zone, like that means that there is some green zone, buying zone, and I just thought even the market is selling, I just put the trade in the buying. So this is how you can do it. And the one with having orange icon didn't have any notes at all. The one with have green icons, that means they have notes but they don't have screenshot. So this is how you can filter out your later on I will add some filters also. That's a nice suggestion that just came in my mind. And that's it. And this is a brief trading summary for particular for today. And if you want to see what are you trading in overall, so you can just see that overall I have 12 trades. Out of them, one is profitable and 11 are loss. This is the total amount of loss that I suffered, and a tiny bit profit just. And this is worst trade profit, sorry, loss. And there is second thing is this analytics thing, in which you can just have more insights about the trading journey a monthly basis. So you can just see in January I took trade on 2nd of Jan, 5th, 6th, 7th, and all the consecutive days are my losses. And if we jump to the December, so in December you can see that on 19th of December I took 3 trades and I suffered for $48 losses. Out of them, one might have um, a little bit profit, but that doesn't sound much. And let's back to the January. So it will fetch the data for January, and this is 4 trading days, and out of 4 tradings I'm lost in four of them. So this is how you can just get more of insights. Later on I will add some more graphs so that you can get better insights. Coming back to this home again, and Ethereum Soul. So what we will do, we will firstly delete this volume chart, and the second thing is we will delete this EMA also. Like we will, this is default moving averages, but we have some thing for us. And this can be done as 15, style must be can be done as green, and that's it. So in Bitcoin we have done, in Ethereum also we can do the same thing. To moving averages. Okay, let's me delete something, because TradingView is complaining that you are not subscribed because I'm using the free version, right? So it's nice to have. And style can be green. This green is fine. Okay, let's do it with the soul as well. Let's keep it soul this way, or you can just have indicators, EMA, 2 indicators. Okay, nice. Now let's get back to the BTC, and let's see what is happening in the larger time frame. Although, like you can see in the 5-minute time interval also, like market is in selling side. So we have to identify the trend, basically in which direction the market is moving. Either it is going up or it is going down, because yes, market is bit complex or to trade on. Price action is bit complex things, and you can be trapped. So for the past couple of days I'm getting trapped. And to not to being trapped, you have to follow some price action and some basic rules. First, to identify where the market is moving. So either the market is moving in up direction or in downward direction. So that can be done with the help of top down approach, so that you have to see that what is happening at the higher time interframe, large time frame. So at larger time frame you can just see market is in selling zone, and it's very clear that we will trade in downward direction. So our mindset is very clear that we will, as soon as you find the opportunity, and this is the opportunity, guys. So it is just moving from our hands, but now as we can find more opportunities as we just came live, and we might find different opportunities. So let's see Ethereum. So in BTC, it's really clear that we have to find the opportunity in downward direction. And let's see what is happening at Ethereum. Ethereum at 4 hour, see same graph for 4 hour interval also. Like there is nothing to stop Ethereum to go down, and we will trade in downward direction for Ethereum as well. So let's see when we can find the opportunity. And in the Solana as well, I think so. Solana is also behaving like this only. Yeah. So so everyone is so as you can see, this Solana have a little bit of tough time over here. Like this is at 5 minute interval, you can just see this is the zone. There the buyers are actively participating in the up direction and preventing market to fall from this particular position. So what we can do is we will definitely look into the market and see that okay, this is how buyers are preventing the market, and we have to wait for the particular price action to uphold. And because we don't want to commit any mistakes and unnecessary to take any positions, so what we will do, we will wait, because waiting is more beneficial for us, uh, rather than jumping in and out for a trade that we have no idea about, right? So this is a pretty small buying zone, and we have to respect that buying zone, and we are respecting it. So we don't have to jump. Although like market is quite weak, and there is today we can literally make a good amount of money if we trade in the right direction, and if we trade uh, consciously, right? So just wait for the market to to make the move. Yep, as of no one is here, and it's fine. Let's yeah. So it's basically for the past 15 minutes we are live, and guys, you can just visit this paperweight.com. It's completely free um, for the initial users. Like you can just play and have fun with this application. And later on, I will introduce some plans, some subscription plans, and which is way cheaper, because it's like it's way less than your a day meal or a one time meal. Yeah. And for a month you can trade n number of times if you want to practice a lot. I want to emphasize a lot on this particular thing, why I made this trading application, demo application, because as you can see there are number of n application in the demo world. So every exchange will provide you the demo account, but what they lack is they lack the analytics, they lack the empathy with the new trader. Although like you can trade in the market, they will give you the demo money, but you can't track your progress, what exactly you are doing wrong. No one will come you to tell you what exactly will go wrong, because they are not keeping your data. They just taking it very lightly that you are demo money, and you just mean once in a while may punch the trade. They just want your real money. That's demo account is just a side feature for them. They they actually want money from your pocket, because you are the newbie. They know that you are the new trader, and you have the greed to jump as soon as possible in the trading world. And exactly this is what they want. They just want money from you. And if you have proper practice mechanism, proper practice application where you can practice before jumping to the real world trading, and not not just practice, but of also to track what exactly went wrong. For you can just track with the different features that I'm, because I'm also a newbie trader, and if I'm struggling with different uh, hurdles in the real trading world, and if I want that, there might be an application which do have these kind of features that will be very beneficial. And fortunately for me, I am a software engineer. I am full-time software engineer, and if I am a software engineer, then I can leverage my skills and build my own application, and that's what I did. So I came up with that every trading, every order history must have that a notes taking option, because I exactly want to know what went wrong. And this notes section is very helpful for me, because I can just see, okay, yesterday I took a Solana trade, and this is the Solana trade. As you can see, this is all USD, and I trade and entry price is 135.5. So as you can see, I will give the full chart option as well. As you can see, there is 135 here, somewhere here I punch 135.88. Somewhere here I punched the trade in the up direction, and as soon as I punched in the up direction, market went down. So that is the mistake, because market is in a regressive selling zone, and I just put my trade or punch my trade in the up direction. That's why I wrote down my mistake. Thought market is in downtrend. That's initially what I thought, but I took buy position. Although like market is in downtrend, I should have put my position in the buy in the downtrend. But anyways, BTC is okay. Okay, BTC. What is this BTC? Okay, so this is something I miscalculated. So it should be Sol is at green zone. That means I thought that there is a buying area over here, which is not I marked here, and that made me to feel like a fool. Like, okay, I can reverse this position. So this is a mistake, and you can be um, more briefly write the notes. You can be more elaborative. So okay, so as you can see, this as soon as if we directly jumped into the price action and into the market by seeing this red candle forming, and we just jumped in the downward direction, we are crying in pain now, because market just took the support and taking the stop losses of all the buyers who just jumped with by seeing this red candle. So this is nice. How much point is this? Like I have no idea at all. So this is a 0.33 points. Nice 0.3. If anyone is doing scalping, this he might be happy to take 1 or 2 points, 0.33 points. But we are looking for a big, a big move. And if we able to capture that big move, then congratulations, you are one step closer to become a good trader. And trading is all about, see who is giving you lessons on trading, the one who is suffering losses for past 12 trades. But yeah, one more thing is that although I've suffered losses for the past 12 trades, but my losses are really small. My losses usually are $120 to $300, not like 500, $600. Even though $300 is also a big amount, I try to keep my losses under 100 to $200, because this is my risk reward size, and I have to respect my risk reward. Because if I do small losses, um, then I am, in the long run, I just need a one or two big trades to cover up of all my losses, and I will be in profitable. So the risk reward ratio should be like 1:5, 1:3, 1:4. Give market less and get out from the market a little more. So even though like for the past 12 trades, I incurred around $1,900 losses, and still I'm 90 at $98,000. So still I am capable to trade. That's very big thing. If you are in the real world, and if you lose money, if because you are new and market is slapping you from top bottom east west, right, any, the market will pull you in every direction, and it will take out big chunks of money from your pocket. And after that, after trading for a month or so, you will find that, oh, you just lost 50% of the capital, 40% of the capital, 60% of the capital, and you are no longer to trade in the market. So market will throw you out very slowly, but definitely, or maybe someday very fast also. So okay, I just okay. I'm just searching my channel that am I live correctly or not? I have to go live, and this is where I'm live. So just have to hit one like button. Nice. So it's fine. Okay, come back to business, guys. So that's a new YouTuber in me that's want some views, and as of now, there is no such new. Okay, so guys, we are heading towards a price action where we can have a trade. Let me see what is happening at Solana. Solana is giving us nothing. Ethereum might have something for us. So Ethereum and in BTC as well, there is a high chance that market will give a move in the downward direction. And one more thing that we can do is we can enable this down timer as well, um, countdown timer as well. Let's take a small risk, guys. Let me see where it is good to take risk. Um, we will take risk as soon as market crosses this blue zone, blue line, blue horizontal line, because in Solana as well, like we see in the downward direction, obviously. So let me 30, yeah. So we will short the market at this point. As soon as it reaches this, we will short the market, and let's see what our risk look like. So from this point, it's a 2 point risk, 2.5 point risk. So that means, oh, that is not a big risk, I think. So this is like a 70-80 dollars risk, and that we can take care. 70-80 dollars risk is can be taken care of. Yeah. So risk is very low. I think. Let's see if we can put our risk at this EMA as well. Yeah, we can. We can literally have a risk at this EMA. So let's see what BDCs look like and what Solana looks like. Solana is not giving us the right momentum. Ethereum might have something for us. Let's wait for this candle to close, and as soon as this candle will close, we will see the opportunity. If there is an underlying opportunity, then we can definitely. Guys, one more minute to close this candle, and this candle is closing in a good shape. Okay, that's too quick to tell. Speak spoken soon enough, something like that is the right sentence, guys. Okay, so it is for 20 more seconds, guys. 18 seconds. I should have shorted, but this is how market is working now. Okay, we'll not do directly. We will see that okay, how it performing. 308887. What is happening at BTC? Okay, so I'm looking at so BTC at 5 minute interval looks like this. Ethereum. Okay, market is moving in downward direction, guys. Nice. Okay, so it's moving in downward direction. Very crazy. We missed the opportunity, guys. We should have taken small risk here. Just give me a second. I'm coming. Guys, like here, a little bit cold is here, so it's fine. Okay, let's jump back to the Ethereum as well, to Solana. Don't worry, I think this is the zone that is protecting. Just what is happening at BTC? We are still bearish, and we are just looking for the opportunity. What if we took trade here, and what is the loss? Yeah, we can try in the Bitcoin as well. So okay, So the closing is good, guys, in the Bitcoin itself. But yeah, here is also, so we can sell one Bitcoin, can short one Bitcoin, guys. So I just short. Let me close this, yeah, because I don't want. I short the Bitcoin at 89,737. 89,737, guys. So short position 89,737 somewhere here. My stop loss would be at $140. So this is my stop loss, and my target would be at least one ratio 3 somewhere here. Yeah. Because if it falls, because it has and then it will fall very badly, and we will take advantage of that. We still have $8,000 in our pocket. Let's see if Ethereum is okay. Everyone is working like same. I think we captured the good move, guys. Okay, as soon as it fall down, it is moving up as well. Too quickly, guys. Now in this trade, I will not take any losses, because if it reverses, it is a real reversal. But it went down very quickly and it came up very quickly. So let's see what is happening at Solana as well. Like, okay, so I think this will trap us. So let me book this profit, because this is uh, not exactly how market works right now. So I just booked the $154. This is not intended actually. So let's plan for another trade. As you can see in, let me give you the overview. So this is the panic move. The if if the candle make a quick move in the downward direction, then there is a high chance that will reverse as well, because there might be so many buyers present at this podium, and they just want. So this candle just came as a stop loss eater of this all the buyers, and this the uh, panic movement in the downward direction, just because it is taking all the stop losses of all the buyers present at the screen zone. So if there might be a big buyer, then they can pump the money to make to avoid the candle to move further. So they can jump in and put all the money to make this candle in up direction. So I just don't want that to happen for my, although like I will still trade in the downward direction, so I will take another risk in the downward direction. But I have to be make sure that my price action is allowing me to do so. Ethereum, Sol, BTC, and I just booked the profit, because if there is a sudden move in the downward direction, then it can just uh, reverse back too quickly as well. So I don't want that our little bit of profit should go in vain. At least we have to start our winning journey from any trade as well. And this is the quick profit that we have, although like we have seen $280 profit, but it's fine. We can If we are right, we can take the profit in the long run as well. That's not a matter of. Okay, this is the real move, guys. So market is making the real move in the downward direction, but not with the full conviction. Is it? Or it is a false breakout, guys? I have no idea, but I think the market is in very weak zone, and it might. So this is the real move, guys, and okay, Ethereum is super bearish. So this is the point where the market reversed for the second time as well. So making a double bottom. Let's wait. Okay, see the sentiments change within seconds, guys. Everyone is thinking the market will go down, and suddenly market is moving in up direction. So this is how sentiment changes within seconds. So there might be some buyer who is present at this particular position, and it is just pumping the market. I'm not put any buying order right now because it's very risky, and we can just have like 155 points. I don't want to risk because the risk in the downward direction is too much to handle. Let's see how this candle will close, because the closing of this candle is really important for both the parties, for sellers and the buyers. The sellers who by seeing this breakout are interested in jumping in, and by seeing so many sellers who jump in, because if the market is want to move in the downward direction and there is a real move, so you guys can see then there is no pause. If the move is real, and if the market is pausing, that means it's getting time so that buyers can jump in. And if buyers jump in, they will try to make will try to hunt all the stop losses of all the sellers who jumped in frequently. So let's see how this really upholds. The size of this candle is still, see, the size of candle is 400 points, so it moved in the both direction, like 200 300 in downward direction, coming up by eating all the stop losses of all the sellers. So it is really playing with the sentiments of. So this candle is very scary for all the sellers who just jumped in by seeing this big red candle, and the second red candle is also a little bit of follow up. Then there is a then there's a point over here also and here also that market went up, and it will definitely this the moment in the up direction is simply the market is hunting all the stop losses of all the sellers who just jumped by seeing this red candle. So it it might make move some up till somewhere here, or yeah, somewhere here also. Let's see. So after 12 trades, so this is 13th trade, we got a little bit of profit. And although like I'm targeting around 300 400 product profit, but it's fine, it's perfectly fine to at least start from somewhere. Because okay, so guys, I think we can have the opportunity again. um Ethereum, yeah. So let's see what will be the consequences. Its consequences too high, so it can get up to $200, and this is above the risk of mine. I should I will bet around 120 $150, but as of now the price action is not enough favor. We'll see how price action will perform in the near future. We'll wait to cross the zone again, and if the market really crosses this zone, then we can jump in again in the downward direction. So let's see how this candle will close. So still 2 minutes to go to close this candle. Okay, so it is not giving us an entry anymore, I think so. I'm just waiting that how it will close. Still 1 minute and 15 seconds to go to close this candle, and this candle is daily dancing between highs and lows. 30 more seconds to go. Fourteen more seconds to go, guys. 10 more seconds. Closing of this candle is really good, and that means that we can literally bet in the downward direction. And I am betting in the downward direction, guys. So I'm selling short. Okay. As soon as I sold, we are suffering losses of. Okay. What is that? Okay. Okay. So this is a trap, guys. See how bad the trap is. Market reversed 180-degree. We took the trade in the downward direction by seeing this red candle. We thought that there must be a follow-up candle, and in just a minute, market wiped up and reversed the position. So this is how dangerous this Bitcoin is. See how this market is moving in up direction, crazily moving in up direction. So this is a pure manipulation, guys. So we are in break even, $150 and $115. So we came to break even today. So you can just see overall profit and loss is 5.24. Nothing fancy for us, but as you can see that how the market is behaving, guys. I will sell again in the downward direction. I took the position in downward direction, guys, and let's see what where is my position is. So my position is 89,684. Short position 89,684. 684 somewhere here, and my stop loss would be at this high. Target would be at least 1:2. Let's target at 1:2. Okay, nice. Now it is rewarding us for the first time. So, okay, too early to say. But there's a nice move in the downward direction. Although, like it crossed the earlier reason where market may be seen as manipulative or can be pushed up. But this is the good move. And see what happened here is, let's analyze it. This red candle is a real move, and by seeing this, so many sellers came. As soon as sellers entered, market made a move in the up direction by taking all the stop losses of all the sellers. Then it is making a move in the downward direction again. So it's a real move. Uh, because if the market wants to move in the downward direction and just want to move with big fishes, then it will wipe out smaller fishes. So we will see. We have nothing to lose, and if we have nothing to lose, then we can just ride in this trade we will not take up any losses. We will for sure cut cost to cost or in $150 loss. That's it. But our target got hit. Uh, but we are so what is our risk reward ratio here is okay initially so we will target for bit more till like at least 450 points or something like that, or let's say 500 points at least. This is not greed, this is a price action game because we know that this is how price action is moving, or we will come at we'll get out at the stop loss or cost to cost, but we will for sure wait. So we are reaching at the cost again. It's fine. Okay, I'm squaring off my position because we reached cost to cost CTC. But as you can see, we hadn't booked our profits because we don't want well, the target hit, but it's fine. We have seen that the target had got a hit, but this green candle wiped out all the cells for sure. And this is big green candle. What is happening at Solana? Same thing. We are still bearish in mindset because we think that all the like this is the reason that there's some buyers present at this particular region, and they don't want to lose their capital. See, we barely lost $780, right? $7 max. So, but we had an experience of three trades. Out of three trade, we have seen a trade that is crossing more than $300, and that's how you have to be in the mark in the game, and the game is like this only. So you have to play better. Someday you will definitely come out at your target price, and although like our target has hit today, but we are not sure that I got bit speculative that market will continue its momentum, but as of sudden this green candle shattered our dream. It's fine, it's okay. So let's see, this green candle is not stopping and it making the move in up direction. So this is the pain going on, guys. So what is happening at route, what is the reason of this green candle? See, firstly this green candle sudden came at sudden only, like, or we can just see that there is a buying buyers present all over here, and that starts buying or to protect their position. But after seeing this green red candles for the past 20 minutes, there most of the sellers are there and they have stop losses at this particular point. So this green candle is nothing but just wiping out all the sellers. And the see the length of this green candle is 519 points. So this is how crazy the BTC is. BTC moves very aggressively in both direction, either in up direction and in the downward direction. So a thrilling experience, guys. Let me mark it as a red. now it exhaust, so there is no buyers now from this point, because they are sellers again. So the screen candle has nothing to do with the reversal, I think so, because overall the market is in very bearish mode. But this made as of sudden, so right now sellers will might be a bit afraid right now. So let's see how sellers will anticipate with this but current move. And if sellers if sellers are not there, then the market will uh, try to get reverse. But right now the sellers, all sellers are literally afraid to take the position in the downward direction. So they will see that okay, someone is taking the position in the downward direction or not. If someone is not taking, then the market will move up. And if market will move up, then we can take the top position in the in the up direction. So we are with the big fishes where they want to move. चट दिया तोरा ने चट दिया तोरा ने चट दिया तोरा ने. Guys, we have 3 more minutes, so more to trade. Then we will close this trading stream for today. We'll not jump by seeing this red candle. We'll see how the price action, because this is still create a lot of panic in the price action. Okay, guys, so beautiful chart in the Ethereum. So Ethereum is literally, guys, literally saying, please sell me. Okay. Ethereum is literally crying for selling. Let me see the risk. Yeah, risk is under our curve. Ethereum, Ethereum is literally doing crazy things, guys. Crazy. Okay, insufficient funds. 30. Guys, I sold the market. Let's see where's the price action right now. 3079.50. 3079.50 short. 3079.50. Yeah, this one. So guys, I sold at 3079.50. Although like this might be a early move. 3079. Yeah, somewhere here. And my 12 336, no, 6318. Yeah, so I will give $180 as a stop loss. My target would be at this point, so something like this. It will take some time. Now again, will not take any risk in this. I will minimizing the risk. So $60 risk max. Because reversing from $200 is something big thing, and we don't want that. We will trap again, get trapped. So our stop loss is like $50-$60, but our target is bigger, like $400-$500, something like that. It will take some time to reach the target, or it will, but we are for sure wait for our. So let me remind you again. We will take a loss at $60, and our target is $415-$500. Okay, so we are closing to the close enough for the stop loss. But the closing of this candle is very important. How this is going to close. Still 1 minute to close this candle. I I'm not sure that, so that I close this candle, close this trade, because I'm waiting for the next candle to arrive. Or like I cut my trade cost to cost, because I have seen that it reaches at this point and coming back, so it might take my stop loss. I'm really want to see how this candle will close. Or so I just punched out my trade, or squared off my trade. I just want to see how this candle gonna close, and because from $200 to reaching my stop loss, that means that market is not interested in going down for now. We have to wait for few more candles, and waiting is pretty boring, guys. Okay, so let me see if I make one more move. I'm just waiting for the tick up. Guys, I sold again. I don't know where I sold. I sold at 3072. 3072. Where is 3072? Here. So I sold here. My stop loss would be at high of this candle. Same. Why I took this trade? Because overall the momentum is in downward direction, and I'm just making the best out of market. Okay, nice. So this the length of this red candle is good for us. We can wait for next 5 to 10 minutes. This is very crucial. Next 5 to 10 minutes are very crucial for this trade. Or like this minute is also very crucial. How this candle will gonna close. As of now, it is showing healthy red candle, but things can change within seconds, guys. I will not take any losses in this trade because if things are coming from $150 to $200, then back to zero. That means we should square off our positions. Right. Last 10 seconds, and see in last 10-second market is crazy moving. Closing is not good, guys. Closing should have been in the downward direction. squared off my position, guys, because I don't think so that I have see because I should have closed my position here only, but I don't know why I waited. And this is the lesson that you have to take. Can't speculate market. Oh, guys, I think today we are at $175 loss, and the worst trade is 197. That is current recently. So overall loss is $175, and I think so. Today we did four trades, like five trades, one, two, three, four, five, and out of five, see the length of this. So it trapped all the sellers again and just making the momentum in up direction. Okay, guys. So that's it for today. Pretty good session. Although like we got trapped in the last trade, and we have to learn a lot, guys. Yeah. Okay. So again, on this high note, I'm ending the stream. See you tomorrow, guys. Bye.